Certainly. The term cyber kill chain was derived from military strategies and describes a structured attack sequence involving identifiable stages such as target identification, dispatch, decision-making, execution, and target destruction. However, in the realm of cybersecurity, the cyber kill chain refers to a model that outlines the distinct phases of common cyber attacks. This model assists organizations in understanding the stages of a cyber attack, allowing them to anticipate, prevent, and defend against potential cyber threats in the future. Each phase of the cyber kill chain corresponds to specific activities within a cyber attack, irrespective of whether it's an internal or external threat. This breakdown of stages helps organizations bolster their cybersecurity defenses by identifying, analyzing, and implementing measures to counter threats at different stages of an attack.